Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best cheap mirrorless cameras you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. DSLR cameras used to be everyone's favorite to capture their valuable moments. But for the past few years, mirrorless cameras are given good competition to DSLR cameras. Although modern smartphone contains high quality cameras, the main issue with these cameras is that they comes up with fixed lenses which limits their photography skills. Mirrorless cameras contain interchangeable lenses that are famous for their lightweight, easy to use, and noise-free features. We have listed the top 3 best cheap mirrorless cameras, and this list is based on my personal opinion and researches and listed them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Canon EoS M50. If you are looking for mirrorless cameras because of their easy to use and that offer great image quality, then the Canon EoS M50 is one that suits you. Although it's been 18 months since the Canon EoS M50 was the first introduced in the market, but it still got some reputation in mid-range cameras. The Canon EoS M50 was the first Canon camera to get DG8 processor and comes up with dual pixel autofocus for picture and 1080p video. Due to its 1.6 meter crop factor of the aps-c sensor, a standard 15 to 45 mm lens is as effective as 24 to 72 mm. Pros of Canon EoS M50: it's very easy to use, good EVF, polished touchscreen. Cons of Canon EoS M50: it has poor battery life. 4K video has a 1.6x crop. On number 2, Sony a6000. There is no doubt that modern technology has developed a lot, but maybe not much in cameras industry, as cameras like a6000, which is an old model, are still giving competition in the market. For many people, the important features are still the same, that are reason old cameras are still in the market. Sony a6000 comes up with a powerful 24 megapixel sensor and good autofocus like features. On launch, it considered mid-range mirrorless cameras, but now it's offered at a very low price. With such good performance and low price, it is worth buying the product. Pros of Sony a6000: nice autofocus, 24 megapixel sensor, great features. Cons of Sony a6000: lacks 4K videos, not good at high ISO. On number 1, Panasonic Lumix G7. If you are looking to build a setup with a mid-range mirrorless camera, then Panasonic Lumix G7 is for you to come up with either in a solid black or two-tone graphite and black. The manufacturers offer the Panasonic's Lumix G7 in a variety of kits worldwide, some with 14 to 42 mm lenses, some with 14 to 140 mm lenses. The company also sells it either with both lenses or only the body without any lens. Of course, the price varies depending on the package offered by the company. Its design style like mini DSLR that has a viewfinder hump above the lens mount. So guys, this was the video about the best cheap mirrorless cameras. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like today. Thank you so much.